Hi everyone. Today I'm creating an elegant sun-loving planter to warm up the front of my home. This area has always felt a little bit too industrial and stark, so let's soften it up with some elegant flowers. I chose a large resin planter that looks like concrete, but it's actually lightweight enough to rotate for even sun exposure. First, I add a layer of drainage stones to the bottom. This helps prevent water from sitting at the roots, which could cause rot. I added the entire bag. You can use any type of rock, broken pottery, or even specialty drainage rocks, whatever you have on hand. Next, I'm adding a high-quality soil mix that contains slow-release fertilizer. This ensures a steady supply of nutrients over the majority of the growing season. I start by filling the pot about halfway so I can place the plants and adjust their height. For the main focus, I'm using a grafted red knockout rose tree. These are perfect for full sun, easy to care for, and they bloom repeatedly. For accent flowers, I'm using new Guinea Impatiens. These annuals are sun-loving, easy to care for, and will add structure and color around the base. I need to make sure the tree height is correct first. Let's add a little more soil. This is my second bag. I manually break up the clumps of soil. Then I gently unpot the rose tree and loosen the root ball. This encourages the roots to spread out and take hold in the new soil. I did choose to keep the support stake attached to the tree. Let's spread out those roots just a little more. With the tree in position, let's add some soil to hold it in place. Just be sure not to cover the stem any higher than it was in its original pot. Here I'm using my third bag of soil. Now I'm surrounding the base with 4 new Guinea Impatiens. These annuals love the sun, and they bring a soft, lush look that contrasts nicely with the rose tree. This can be the tricky part. When setting the impatiens in place, make sure their root balls are fully covered with soil so they're well supported and won't dry out. However, you have to be careful not to pile the soil up against the stem of the rose tree. To give the impatiens enough root space, dig slightly deeper around the edges of the pot before placing them. I love how they create a full, vibrant look at the base of this planter. Now I will just gently spread and press down the soil to make sure the planting is complete. To help everything settle in, I give a good drink with a quick-release liquid fertilizer. This gives the plants an immediate nutrient boost to ease transplant shock. Then I do one final check for any air pockets. And with that, the planter is complete. And here it is, my elegant planter that turns a blank spot into a welcoming focal point. The height from the rose tree, the fullness of the impatiens, and the neutral pot all create a clean and classic look. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, be sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.